My name is Leo Green. I've just completed an LLM master's course in Human Rights Law and Transitional Justice. Well, it's a long time since I'm 63 years of age, so I started my master's course just 2 years ago. Prior to that, it's almost 40 years since I studied. I last studied at a college in Newry, St Coleman's College in Newry. That's my last, I suppose, focused academic study. Well, one of my key interests, I suppose, is conflict resolution, and a friend of mine pointed me towards the Transitional Justice Institute here. Did a wee bit of research about the type of stuff they do, and I thought this was a place to be. Well, I suppose, first of all, I should say I found the whole experience very rewarding. I was a bit apprehensive coming into it, being out of the academic study for so long. But I've spent about 40 years working in politics, and since left politics, but I thought that my interest in conflict resolution could be best served by a bit of focused academic study. I've enjoyed my time here. The introduction to the whole field of transitional justice widens your perspective. It introduces you to political conflict right across the world and gives you a whole new dimension, a whole new thought processes open up. I found it very enjoyable and very rewarding. Well, what I enjoyed about it was the introduction to what's going on in the rest of the world. The Transitional Justice Institute brings together a lot of very well qualified, very well learned tutors, and I find that their ability to awaken your interest in what's going on in the rest of the world was of enormous benefit to me anyway, from a learning perspective. Well, I think university is it's like everything else. You get out of it what you put into it. And I think that if you come at it simply from the purpose of an academic qualification, you'll probably get less out of it. I think people should need to come at it from a broader perspective and enjoy the learning experience. And obviously there's a dimension that would introduce you to other people, which is other views. But the whole thing about academic study, as opposed to the political world that I previously worked in, is that it teaches you to evaluate other opinions rather than to instinctively reject them. So the whole academic study is more of an objective-based learning. Well, at this point in time, I certainly intend to continue academic study. I find, as I said earlier on, the whole course and attendance in the course very rewarding, but I also found it very energizing. I'm 63 years of age. I've just completed a master's, and at a time of life when many other people would be, I suppose, considering retirement, I'm now motivated to consider further academic study and mapping out a career path, a different career path for the next 5-10 years.